There are several clauses of the United States Constitution that touch on questions that are described as relating to monetary policy. These clauses together form a system of rules that are intended to protect economic prosperity and political liberty. Exactly four of the clauses include the word money, three include the word coin, and two include the word dollars. So, have you read the Constitution? Have you? Well, let's take a look. The Constitution states that Congress shall have power to borrow money on the credit of the United States. Congress shall have power to coin money, regulate the value thereof, and of foreign coin, and fix the standard of weights and measures. Congress shall have the power to provide for the punishment of counterfeiting the securities and current coin of the United States. No money shall be drawn from the Treasury, but in consequence of appropriations made by the law. No state shall coin money, emit bills of credit, or make anything but gold and silver coin a tender in payment of debts. Read in conjunction with the Ninth and Tenth Amendments and the Obligation of Contracts Clause, we can identify five monetary policies that are constitutionally requisite in the United States. Number one, the basic unit is the dollar, a silver coin containing 371.25 grains of pure silver. Only gold or silver coins and currency can be legal tender. No state may issue coins or currency. No one may counterfeit U.S. government-issued coins or currency. Fiat money is forbidden. Of course, the impeachment circus and the upcoming presidential election are a great big distraction. This, as you may suspect, is by design. As a constitutionalist, in my opinion, the real high crimes and misdemeanors are the ones that all three branches of government began long ago. With these circuses, they hope you are ignorant that you are compelled under legal tender laws to use unconstitutional money. If you recall, Article 1, Section 8 of the U.S. Constitution empowers Congress, not the Federal Reserve, to coin money and regulate its value. In addition, Article 1, Section 10 specifies that money be coined of gold and silver and cannot be bills of credit, such as debt-based legal tender notes. By this, the dollar in its present form is illegal money. First, the dollar is issued by the Federal Reserve. Second, the dollar is a bill of credit, with no ties to gold or silver. One would believe that the U.S. Constitution is the supreme law of the land. Unfortunately, we are so very far from that concept. The facts are that government officials have failed to uphold their obligations. To me, those are the high crimes and misdemeanors. And as this chart shows, until the government reverts to the Constitution, we will continue to slide down that slippery slope of dilution. According to the Consumer Price Index data released by the Bureau Labor of Statistics, the dollar has lost more than 80% of its value since Nixon removed the gold standard in 1971. During that same time, the dollar value of gold has gone from $35 an ounce to nearly $1,500 an ounce. History has shown that there are so many creative ways for nations to self-destruct, but there is one common denominator, and that is corruption of money underlies them all. So happy holidays from ChewDog, and get ready to profit in 2020. Thank you.